What's the meaning of crag? Crag. Crag.
Crag. Crag. A crag is a steep, rugged rock or cliff that stands out from its surroundings. It is typically small in size, but can be dangerous to climb due to its uneven surface and vertical drop. Craggy terrain is often found in mountainous regions or along coastlines where erosion has carved out distinctive formations. These features are prized by climbers and hikers for their natural beauty and challenging climbs. However, they can also pose significant risks to those who attempt to ascend them without proper safety equipment and training.